Hi, I'm Lynn Forrester-Walker. I'm the Chief Operating Officer at Hartpury University and Hartpury College. I've been with them just over 6 years. Hartpury grows and develops every year. We're very ambitious, and as a result of our constant growth in student numbers, we've needed to grow our estate and the buildings that we have. My role at Hartpury is to be responsible on the senior management team for the delivery of capital projects on budget and within programme, etc. Vitruvius have been instrumental over the last few years in helping to actually deliver both help to strategically think about a master plan of what we needed to build and where we needed to build it, and then individual project by project helping us through the whole REBA process from REBA stage 1 right through to post-completion. So I work with Vitruvius. My role is probably the main sort of contact with Vitruvius. I sort of own the client relationship with them, so I contract manage the relationship. I work with Mark at the team at Vitruvius, ensuring that they help us deliver the projects through their project management skills, advise us on the commercial aspects, the costs, etc. Vitruvius have worked with Hartpury University and Hartpury College for about the last four years, and all of the senior management team have worked directly with Vitruvius on various of our large capital projects that we've had in place over that period of time, starting with a master plan right through to the current developments that are ongoing at the moment. But what came out of the master plan was our main goal for our 2025 strategy to get to 5,000 students on site, which to achieve that was significant growth in HE students. So we needed a dedicated building for higher education students where they could use as a library, they could do social study, quiet study, somewhere that was their building, because all other buildings are shared on campus. So that was the ultimate goal of the University Learning Hub, and we are nearly there. Vitruvius have at certain points the relationship had 2, 3, 4 projects ongoing at one time at various REBA stages, and having that breadth and depth to be able to support us has been key. We've had 3 interrelated projects that have been ongoing for the last couple of years, starting with a car park, new restaurant, and currently a university learning hub, and having the capacity and the ability to help us manage what has ultimately been, a building project in excess of 20 million is really, really important to us. If I think about the specific projects that Vitruvius have been working with us, I've mentioned the 3 interrelated projects. One of the other key projects that I don't think was on anybody's radar probably 5 years ago was the need to bring an additional and new power supply into the campus. We grow, we use more power, and we were at capacity. So Vitruvius, working with some of their advisors, looked at various options for what we could do. We concluded that we needed to go for the big bang solution that actually future-proofed us for the next sort of 20 years. And that has been a major project over the summer, which will also help us with our sustainability goals going forward. So that will enable us to generate eventually our own power through PV, etc. And that project has been particularly well managed. It's impacted every building and every aspect of the campus through the summer, and that is the pinnacle, which was driven by the 2 predecessor projects, the new restaurant and the car park, but also we couldn't have powered that building, which would have been a bit unfortunate if we hadn't put the power supply in as well. So that really has, and that was identified, as I say, as a key part of the 2025 strategy, and I'm sure there'll be new buildings in the 2030 strategy that will need to be developed going forward. The key part of what Vitruvius has done is that breadth of experience that they can bring, that depth of experience, working with us as project managers, cost consultants, advisors, to actually deliver the projects that we need. And without them, we don't have the capacity and skills in Hartpury to do that for ourselves. We're a small university and college. We don't employ those sorts of skills within our staffing. So Vitruvius is really important to us to help us deliver the key part of our business plan so that we can do what we're good at, which is educate young people.